welcome. I thought I would just do a very quick video to welcome all the new followers. I seem to have got about 800 more in the few days, which is amazing. And I'm in the studio next to this big painting, which seems to have got a lot of attention the last few days. I'm just finishing off the last few pieces on that. Zoom in a minute and show you up close a few of the details. But I just wanted to chat very quickly about who I am and what I'll be up to on YouTube over the next few months, hopefully. My name is Karen. I paint for a living. I have had a gallery for the last 8 years in my hometown of Broadstairs in Kent, in England. And I just love art, and I have ever since I was little. I've been doing art now all my life, so about probably since the age of about 5, so 48 years, sorry. And I love to share what I know with all of you. So let's see what we can do together. Something else I forgot to mention is that I do illustration work as well. So I do some very serious sort of commission type paintings, but I also do a lot of this kind of thing, which I think a lot of you have enjoyed seeing recently. I've illustrated books for many years and I do a range of styles. So I work in mostly water-based paint, so acrylic, gouache, watercolour, ink. But I do a little bit of oil, pastel, that sort of thing. And I'm just sort of dabbling in lino cut and printmaking as well. So I will share as much info as I can with you. I'll be giving little tutorials such as this one yesterday, which we did about lighting, just a quickie that I was doing on TikTok for everyone. But I'm hoping that now I've got a few more people on YouTube that you will all be able to join me and have fun watching me paint, learning about new things, and I might even try live on YouTube just in case TikTok ever goes down again, just so that you can see the sort of thing that I get up to. But if you like this kind of thing, that kind of thing, or anything arty in between, why not subscribe and follow, and hopefully I can add something to your day and give you lots of hints and tips and info along the way. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. So this is the big painting that a lot of you have seen me reveal in one of my shorts. It doesn't work well in this landscape format, but I'm just going to try and zoom in and show you a little bit more about how this piece was created. It started off as a couple of photographic references that were sent to me by the person who lives in a lovely apartment that overlooks the sea in Broadstairs. They sent me a few photos. I went round and visited, as it's in my hometown, and took a few more. And we decided we were going to come up with some kind of window view. So I then produced a little sketch on my iPad to draft out the layout, and did a couple of little sort of as well, and got their opinions before we went any further, combining multiple photographs and these images. I then transferred it onto a canvas, and I will try and pop into this video a few of the stage by stage phases of this painting. So this painting has been done in acrylics. I always start off with a bit of a sort of sienna sort of base coat, if you like, or what they know in the art world as a ground underneath. And for this piece, I just wanted to combine some of the realistic colours in the photographs with a more sort of soft, muted beige tone, so that it all kind of worked together as a piece. There was a lot of difficulty with the sun and the sky. The clients wanted the sun put in, even though in reality it would be way up in the sky in this particular case. But we've decided to reach a happy medium, and we've popped it here. Agreed, a lot of people have mentioned on my TikTok account that perhaps the sun would be warmer and more orange in tone if it was lower in the sky. But for the purposes of this, we wanted all these shadows and all these kind of contrast lights in this piece. Well, I discussed it, we decided that this was the best route, and they have seen it now and they are thrilled with it. I'm just putting in one more detail down here, which is like a little dog bowl that they wanted to make it a bit more personal. It's in one of the photographs, but I wasn't sure whether to put it in or not. So that's going to go in, and then it's all done. You might be able to tell now that I've just started to draw in the beginnings of this dog bowl. It's a bowl that's actually shaped like a dog, so that's an ear there, and then the bowl is going to go underneath. But once I've put that in, there'll be some more shadows cast here, and then we've got a little bit of window shading going in, just because these window sections would not be completely transparent. Obviously I've done it here and it works really well, just gives kind of a mirrored image and some reflections on the window pane itself. So I'm really happy with how it looks. So I thought this was a good brief introduction to me and to this painting. I might do another one in a little bit more detail, but I hope you have enjoyed watching. Please do share, follow, all of those things. I would appreciate each and every one of you joining in and hitting the like and share button or repost button. Not sure exactly which is the best version, but we'll be doing more pictures like this, but I will also be doing a lot more of my cutesy wootsy little illustrations, as well as lots of things in between. So please do join me, and I will see you in the next instalment of my YouTube. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.